$100 hairdo now. I'm about to show out. These hardworking girls are so excited.
Oh my goodness. Why am I this excited?
Cause it's the best. Girl, y'all know it's levels to this.
I don't gotta fight it. It wants to go down.
So Kimmy, tell me something. What do you think about the new Dyson? It feels great. Good. Kimmy recommended.